Today we discuss 10 paisa aluminum coins. These were aluminum magnesium, the metal was aluminum magnesium alloy, and these were circulated from 1971 to 1982. In 1971, these were minted in Bombay and Calcutta. Bombay Mint is a common coin. Bombay, Calcutta and Hyderabad rather. Bombay Mint is a common coin. Calcutta, Hyderabad are scarce coins. And Bombay Mint values from 5 to 10 rupees. Calcutta, Hyderabad 20 to 30 rupees. This is 1971 coin. These are the effects of climatic change, or maybe used roughly. I will define the coin on some other coin because it is not clear here. And it is overside. Overside is slightly clear. It is a beautiful design on outer circle of the coin. Bharat in Devanagari and India in English. In center there is Ashoka Stambha. The edges are calliophatic, a bell-shaped coin. Now let us have 1972. It is slightly clear. Coin being unwashed, uncleaned. See the outer circle of the coin is a beautiful design of crop. It is 10 or 10 paise in English and 10 in Devanagari. Mint mark is not clear, but still it seems to be Bombay Mint. In 1972, these aluminum coins, these 10 paisa aluminum coins were minted in Bombay, Calcutta and Hyderabad, and all are common coins, values from 5 to 15 rupees. These are all 72. These are all 72 year 72 coins. Some are slightly damaged. Yeah, it is Mumbai Mint. Yeah, it is clear. Mint mark is clear here. Yeah, the diamond of Bombay. But in this coin, mint mark is immaterial because these are all common coins. Their value is 5 to 15 rupees. Now comes 1973. In 1973 were also minted in Bombay, Calcutta and Hyderabad. Bombay and Calcutta mints are common coins. values from 5 to 15 rupees, and Hyderabad coin is a rare coin, values 100 to 300 or maybe more, subject to the condition of the coin. Now it is now stands 1974, but the same coin is not in my collection. These were also minted in Bombay, Calcutta and Hyderabad. Bombay and Calcutta are common coins and Hyderabad is a rare coin. Its value is also from 100 to 300 rupees, subject to the condition of the coin, may be higher than 300. Now becomes 1975. 75 were also minted. '75 were also minted in Bombay, Calcutta and Hyderabad. These are all common coins, values 5 to 10 rupees. Now comes 1976. The coin is not in my collection. Still I may say, these were minted in Bombay, Calcutta and Hyderabad. Bombay mint is a common coin, 5 to 10 rupees. Kolkata mint is scarce coin, 50 to 100 rupees. And Kolkata is also, Hyderabad is also a common coin, 5 to 10 rupees. Right from 1977 to 82, all these coins, among all these coins, none of the coin is in my collection, but still I will try to explain these coins here on this collection. '77 were minted in Bombay and Calcutta only. Bombay mint is a scarce coin, values from 10 rupees to 100 rupees, and Calcutta mint is a rare coin, values 75 to 300 or maybe more. Now comes 1978. '78 were also minted in Bombay, Calcutta and Hyderabad. These are all scarce coins. Their value is 10 to 30 rupees only. Now it is 1979. These were minted in Bombay and Hyderabad only. Bombay mint is a common coin and Hyderabad is a scarce coin. Bombay mint is values from 5 to 15 rupees and Hyderabad 10 to 30 rupees. Now comes 1980. These were also minted in Bombay, Calcutta and Hyderabad, all the three mints. Bombay is a common coin, value from 5 to 15 rupees. Calcutta is a scarce coin, value from 25 to 50 rupees. And Hyderabad is also a scarce coin, its value is 10 to 30 rupees. Now comes 1981. 1981 were minted in Bombay and Calcutta only. Bombay mint is a common coin, 5 to 15 rupees, and Kolkata mint is a scarce coin, 20 to 50 rupees. You see this coin, one side it is clear and other side I don't know is it a pre-mint damage or PMD, post-mint damage, or it is a minting damage, minting error or other. Now comes 1981. 1982, were minted in Kolkata and Hyderabad only. These are scarce coins, values 20 to 50 rupees or maybe more, subject to the condition of the coin. Maximum of the album coins are not in a good or UNC condition or AUNC condition. These are all damaged due to climatic changes. Aluminum is a delicate metal. You will not find that glitter in these old coins as it were in the UNC condition. If anybody can judge this coin, may please comment in the comment box. Thank you. Thank you again.